since we did some co-work yesterday, I'm gonna go ahead and start rolling some walls out. So today we're fucking working on wall color. I got my 18-inch fucking roller pan sitting there with a trash bag on it. My fucking roller, just get these kind of rollers too. If you go buy rollers, these motherfuckers are easy to clean and they retain their nap. They're a whole lot better than them foam looking fuckers. They're real tight shit, you know, like you see. But I got that all ready for wall color. I'm gonna fucking use that. I'm just gonna go ahead and probably use a 9-inch roller in here and in the bathroom because it's not a lot of wall paint and it's easier to clean that. But I'm gonna fucking put the wall. I got everything else in the house is gonna be painted antique white, and that's that color right there. I brought some fucking vegetables to the customer. They always like that shit. Dave brought them some eggs. I brought them some fucking zucchinis and cucumbers and some peppers and one tomato for a tomato sample. But today I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna paint the kitchen and the bathroom first. And then I'm gonna come in and start working on that fucking rest of the walls and shit like that. The bathroom's ready to fucking paint. I'm gonna take a lot of wall paint there. So that's where we're at today on day 25, wall painting. Now at the end of day 25 with our house renovation. And check out this fucking antique white. Look at the contrast between the white chair railing and the beadboard at the bottom and the baseboard. So you got white and then that same color at the beadboard at the bottom is what's on the top, and then you have a piece of chair railing that breaks the color. Then it goes up to a white ceiling and stuff like that. So a lot of people will fucking go ahead and they'll paint that fucking chair railing a different color. They'll paint it white, the same color as the trim. But to me, that's overpowering. So with this renovation, I chose to fucking make the bottom color of the wall the same as the top color of the wall. Now, it's kind of hard to picture, but if you imagine now, all these fucking tools gone, the floor is redone and everything, what that final outcome is going to be here. Here we have the kitchen. And in the fucking kitchen, we got fucking gray. We put the light on so you can see this motherfucker. This is a light gray color. Now, the gray at this moment might look a little over fucking powering. But the point is going to be that we're going to have white cabinets and white cabinets down there with a countertop, a granite countertop that's gonna either match the whites or the grays. We wouldn't use anything with golds and browns or anything like that. Also, I'm gonna go with a light color floor in here. Bronze brushed nickel fucking handles is what my choice is gonna be for the knobs, like I did the doorknob. And then on this pantry right here, that's gonna be fucking a satin white with all the doors and drawers on that, and it's gonna be all nickel hardware on that, handles and hinges. So today you got one coat of paint rolled on the kitchen, and also got the dining room painted, the living room painted, the hallway painted, the bathroom, you got that painted. Now the bathroom and the kitchen are gonna need a second coat of gray. As you can look at it, if you look at it real close, you'll see some of the white primer showing through in places like that. Standing back in the video, you're not gonna really see it, but you'll see it up there. So it's definitely, this gray paint is gonna take two coats of gray rolled on and 2 cuts of gray. All right, we're gonna go ahead on and save this fixture. We're gonna take those light bulbs that cast that type of light spectrum, and I'm gonna go with a reveal light, so that the reveal light will bring out the cleanness of the room and make everything look more crisp and newer. Also, when you got a granite countertop, if you use a natural light like a reveal light, it's gonna bring out the grains and the crystals and stuff and the minerals in the granite and make the granite look better. You'll be able to see things in it you're not going to see from these regular incandescent lights that are going to show a cast of like a yellowy cast. So lighting has a lot of importance on the bearing of your paint and their trim color, your granite on your countertops and everything like that. Everything, you know. Down here, I'm going to go ahead on and tear this rest of this baseboard out of here. I'm going to put a newer baseboard in here, and we're going to repurpose this. So this room is done. Another thing is, you see all these windows like this. These old ugly windows, even though we're going to paint them, if we go ahead on and put blinds on all of the windows, a double blind on that one, a single on that one, that's going to make a big difference when you're looking at the house when you come in here, because all these fucking windows with blinds on it is going to give the house an illusion of being a new, cleaner model house, newer house, not a 1953 house. Also, we're using these stainless steel fixtures and replacing these old bronze ones and stuff like that. That's going to make things more crisp. In this room right here, that fan's got these darker blades on it. We're going to flip them over to the lighter color blades, and that's gonna go better with the, you know, with what we're doing in here, which is antique white with the white trim and then the refinished floor. After the floor is refinished and sanded, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to put shoe molding down around all the baseboards and everything. But I will finish the baseboards and paint them first before we go in, before they come in and do the flooring. Right now, I'm taking bids on doing the flooring to try to find out who's cheaper. The last price we got was like $3 and something a square foot, which I think is a little high for the area. Try to stick with some of the mom and pop companies where they'll come in and do it for a little bit less. I'm going to replace the covers on the light switches and the receptacles. And if you'll notice, these receptacles, they don't have a ground. That really sucks. Some of them do, but like that right there, it has the place for a plug where you can plug a plug that has a ground on it, but it doesn't actually have the ground hooked up to the plug. So where we're at right now is we've painted the living room, the hall, and 2 of the bedrooms, the bathroom, and the kitchen. You got all that painted and cut in today. Today is Friday. It's time to hit the trail and get up at this bitch and come back tomorrow, not tomorrow, Monday, on for day 26 of our house renovation. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Watch some of the other 315 videos that we have. It's 317 videos now, growing every day. This weekend, I'm going to be uploading another video where I'm going to try to finish a knife that I've been working on that's been in the ground for 1,000 years. It's ancient. We're rebuilding it, repurposing it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to finish that and get that video uploaded before Monday. So subscribe to Get Go TV. Leave a comment if you've got a question. I'll get back with you and answer your question personally. And hit the little notification bell so you know when we upload another video. And have a good day. Don't party too hard this weekend. Me, it's time for me to pack my shit and hit the trail. So y'all have a good day now. And join us on Monday for day 26 of our house renovation.